Hi, so just a quick update for a PowerShell profile for developers project. So I just added the head and tail aliases, and it's gonna do the same as we have in Unix environment. Like you can view the head and tail of a file. So in the current directory, it's a Laravel project. Let's say I want to view the head of the composer.json file. I can just type head composer.json, and by default it's going to view 10 lines. And let's say I want to increase that to 30. I can pass a second parameter, the number of lines that I want to show, and it's going to show those lines from that file. Behind the scenes, it's using the git content command, and that is head. And now let's take a look at tail. Let's say tail composer.json, by default reading 10 lines from the end of the file. And let's say I want to read 30 lines from the end of the file. I can pass 30 as a parameter. So that is a quick update for this PowerShell profile for developers PowerShell project. And if you want to give it a try, it's available on GitHub. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.